guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. This is a completely different setup. It will hopefully look clean. Hopefully the audio will look clean. I have a lav mic on, and today I got a Cardo PackTalk Bold, and I'm going to do kind of an unboxing, not a review, just an unboxing of it. And I got it for a few main reasons, and they're on the back. So the main one is the battery life of 13 hours. And I wanted the DMC, the mesh system they have. So I know a few people with Cardo, so I don't have to worry about being disconnected or anything like that. And then also it's fully waterproof and it has a decent range, about 1.6 kilometers. I've read it's more along the 1 kilometer. But anyway, I haven't opened this yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to the side. And also I need to apologize if anything gets out of frame or out of focus. I'm using my DSLR. And it doesn't have like autofocus. So this is the first time I've opened it. Ooh, pretty. So here's the unit itself. It's actually pretty nice. Nice antenna on it. I don't even know, do I have to press or pull, or I don't know. I'm gonna leave that to the side. Just for now, I'm gonna leave it to the side. Sticker for horsepower, that is nice. Oh my God, all the information you could ever want. Obviously I'm going to have to look at all this. Not. Probably the installation guide, I'd say. So I'm going to try do the clip on my helmet, but I don't think it will work with my lid. But we'll find out, so let's just start taking it apart. Again, this is only like an unboxing and kind of impressions of it. I need to actually set it up on my helmet, and hopefully I can use it on Saturday when I go for a little spin. With some people, then I can actually see what it's like and I can kind of report back and do an actual review of it. But in this box seems to be everything. Micro USB, the if there's an actual name for this mic, but it's a kind of a little wired mic instead of having your kind of boom mic. Okay, so I just kind of readjusted everything so that it'll get all in frame. Alcohol pads, because my helmet's an alcoholic. This is the clip mount, so I think, if I'm right, yeah, there is backing like a GoPro mount style, like the adhesive. I can always get tongue tied in that word, I don't know why. And I think it's a case of literally just sliding it off and putting this on. I have a feeling I'm going to have to use this because I don't think the clip will work on my helmet, just the way the RAF 11s are designed, but that's nice anyway. Here are the speakers. So JBL, there's actually a nice bit of weight to them. And then the backing for them as well, to stick into your helmet. So my helmet does have backing, for, like little recess that I can throw these in. So that's for them. Yeah, so that is the boom mic. And I'm not going to run this because I have the mic for the GoPro, so I'm just not going to bother running it. And it's very nice that they actually give the little wired one like this. It's quite nice. And then just some sticky back pads on that. Is that it? That's all we have. Okay, let's take a look at this itself. It's actually really nice and slim. Wheel buttons and antenna, of course. So when this is all on the helmet, it kind of clips in. That's nice. I know a few people were saying that they had an issue with they were hitting the button to go to change music and they'd hit the button to release it, but I don't know if it just they update it, but that's in there. It's not going to come out easy. There's a nice audible click on that. I don't think that's going to come off. It's not too big, not too bulky. I'm very, very happy, and you get everything you need with it. You don't have to buy any extra. So I had like a cheaper BT comms from China, and that came with just a really bad unit and really bad ear cups or earphones. So that's nice, and it's a very nice unit. I'm very happy with it. Apparently the sound from the JBL speakers is very nice. So I'm looking forward to actually setting it up and using it and have a proper one. And I can do all my vlogs, my Gilles vlogs, which is going to be amazing. So let's take a quick look at the pocket guide, because I actually don't know how to do anything, how to pull anything up. Flip up antenna, all that good stuff. Radio, yeah, so it has radio, has an app that you connect with. I'm obviously not going to go through the app. It's just like an unboxing, kind of what can you expect when you buy. I know there's a few of them, but I just wanted to do one just to try my arm at kind of unboxings and all that stuff. So it's just a pull up. Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, I see. It's kind of like a yeah, antenna, beautiful. So I can connect to my parents on Mars. Happy days. So it seems fairly straightforward. The pairing seems fairly straightforward from all the stuff I was looking at. And the app seems pretty decent. You can pretty much do everything on the app that you need. This part of the box is actually quite cool to do that. I like that. And the packaging is quite simple. So yeah, like this is everything. I can't wait to actually put it on my helmet. I have a feeling again I'm gonna have to use this one, which I don't mind too much, but if I can get away with the clip, I will. But I'll record myself actually trying to set it up and see how easy or hard that is. But anyway guys, look, that is the unboxing of the Cardo PackTalk Bolt. I used to always say tail pack, but I hope all of you enjoyed. Stay tuned to my channel and I will have the review up and I'll have all the other bits up as well and some Gilles vlogs hopefully fairly soon. But that's the video, hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you on the next video.